shift our focus to what's happening in Mumbai. Well, it was day 2 of the Global Fintech Fest, and on the sidelines of the Fintech Festival, we caught up with the founder of Cred, Kunal Shah. He shared how artificial intelligence is changing the world, but he also shared some details about the long-term goals of Cred, that is his company. Let's listen into this exclusive conversation.
I think what we are going through is a very interesting change where historically, if you think about it, like not too long ago, it was, we had, let's say, information showed up in air, right, with internet, right, and the world changed dramatically. For the first time, we have intelligence showing up in air, and the world is going to change one more time, right? And when the world is changing, you have to lead from the front, right? So that you are able to drive the org for the change. Most orgs don't want to change, right? Why would somebody want to adopt AI unless it's there from the top, right? But we have to understand that when the world is changing and efficiency kicking in, you have to be the first ones riding it versus getting impacted by it. And I think we are entering an exciting period for India because we can actually accelerate through AI just the way we accelerate through internet.
Of course. Also, your another segment, Cred Cash, how is that holding up? Your plans and strategy to expand in that segment?
Because we focus on the more credit-worthy prime, super prime customers, that's holding up quite well, but the stress is being felt in, let's say, the subprime segment, where RBI has kind of already done a lot of corrections and told fintechs and banks to kind of be extra cautious about that. But in terms of this business, it seems to be holding up well, considering that it focuses on the higher quality customers. And I think that segment, if you see both on consumption, when it comes to credit, when it comes to secured credit, when it comes to also their wealth market participation, that seems to be consistently growing well for the country.
Of course. So last question to you will be, like, as we know that fintech markets is growing and it's have doubled in a couple of years. So talking about Cred, what's the profitability, and if we know about IPOs coming in, any plans?
Yeah, we are only 5.5 years old, but we get all the pressure of being a very large company.
Of course you will.
I think the intent is to kind of keep growing revenue consistently. We are a very healthy growth rate of revenue, and we intend to kind of keep doing this for a bit. Obviously, every company's intent is profitability, and hopefully in a few years from now, we should be profitable. Will we think about IPO or not? That's a very, very far out thought right now.
All right, so that's Cred's Kunal Shah speaking about the fact that they're not really looking at an IPO immediately. They're focused on wealth creation for sure, but their focus will be to grow revenue consistently. Well, that's...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.